English Fast, helping advanced learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR C1. Lengthy, misfortune, overdo. Lengthy. Lengthy is an adjective. C1 learners usually know lengthy. Lengthy describes something that continues for a long time. Here are some examples. After a lengthy discussion, they agreed on a solution. There were lengthy delays at the airport because of the strike. There was a lengthy police investigation, but no one was arrested. Misfortune. Misfortune is a noun. C1 learners usually know misfortune. Misfortune is bad luck or an unlucky event. Here are some examples. She has suffered a great deal of misfortune. It was my misfortune to have had her as my teacher. The salesman took advantage of their misfortune. Overdo. Overdo is a verb. C1 learners usually know overdo. To overdo is to do or use too much of something. Here are some examples. Be careful not to overdo it. She overdid it at the gym. Now she is suffering. Sorry, I have overdone it again with the salt. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with lengthy, misfortune and overdo. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR C1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.